day 12. And just so you know, it's also May 12th. So the numbers and the days are the same. So we got a surprise inspection again today. I think he had a little miscommunication with the day. So the inspector came to check out the plumbing and the subfloor. Is that right? But it wasn't quite complete. So he does have to come back after it is complete.
Right, he found a minor problem. Actually, just needed to screw down one bore on the subfloor, but he was coming back the next day or Monday. The inspector also said that we needed to get a radon test done. And I inquired about, well, we had bought the house just over a year ago and we had a complete inspection done, including a radon test. Could we use that? And he said, I think so. So I reached out to that company that did the inspection and the testing, and they sent over the radon test, and I sent it over to the inspector, and he said, you're good to go. So that problem was solved in less than 4 hours. That was great.
Yeah, and then the installation guy came to do the installation on the subfloor, and he got about 3/4 of that done today, which is, I think it's Friday, right?
Friday, yeah.
Friday.
Yeah. Coming back on Monday to finish the job, and then the inspector comes back and blah, 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 does all this stuff, and then we move on to framing and putting up the studs, the walls, all that stuff.
That's going to be exciting. But right now, we're just happy to see the framing on the floor because we hadn't seen anything being done yet. So that's exciting.
Right. And all the plumbing in place. It's like, yes,
Yay.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right.
All right.
Weekend off, and then we'll be back.
See you on Monday.